Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an unbuild order and how to confirm an unbuild order. So the unbuild orders have a particular functionality inside Odoo. So let's suppose that we build a product, right? In this case, one of our nightstands, right? But we need the components to be used into another product, right? Because it's a special order, right? And that product, that nightstand, is not being used. It's in the storage, right? It's in the warehouse, and it's not being used. And we have more products to satisfy the client's needs. So we need to take the components that we use to build that product to allocate to allocate the components into the stock, the warehouse again. So to create a unbuild order, we need to go into the manufacturing module. So for that we can click on the manufacturing icon in the main menu, or we can start typing manufacturing, right? And a pop-up menu is going to appear, and the first option, it's a link that it's going to take us into the manufacturing module itself. Once inside, we can go into the operations menu that's on top, right? It's the second one, and we need to click on the unbuild order option. So in here we're going to see the list of all the unbuild orders that we have created and confirmed, right? So we're going to see the reference, the product that we wanted to unbuild, what's the bill of materials, the manufacturing order that's associated with, the quantity, the source location, right? And the company. So let's create a new one. We click on the new button that's on the top left, and we are now into the unbuild order form. What do we need to create an unbuild order? We need a product. Okay, so let's start with that. Again, as I said in the beginning, we're going to unbuild the white oak nightstand that we created in the last manufacturing order, because we need those components to be used in another product, right? So you can see whenever I put the product, the white oak nightstand, the bill of materials already populated, because Odoo already knows that this product has a bill of materials. And why do we need a bill of materials? Because we need the blueprint, right? We need what are the components that are used for this product, right? So we can decompose it and take it into and kind of like unbuild it, right? So the white oak nightstand, we have already a bill of material. The quantity that we want to unbuild, right? For this case is 1, and we need to select a manufacturing order. So I know that the manufacturing order is the one that ends in 35. This is the reference of a manufacturing order. But Odoo is going to show you all the manufacturing orders related to the specific product, meaning that if I already manufactured this product 10 times, a list of 10 manufacturing orders will appear in this drop-down list, right? So because I have only produced this product once, right, I need to select this manufacturing order. And you can see that when I select a manufacturing order, right, I cannot edit the product over the bill of material, right, because Odoo already knows that this manufacturing order has this product, right? So we need to define also a source location and a destination location. So source location is, we're telling Odoo where are we going to take the product that's already built, right? So my white oak nightstand that was built by iTunes, it's in the stock, right? We have it in the warehouse, it's already stored. And the components, right, we are going to take it also to stock, into the inventory. We also need to add the company, right, that's associated with. So right now it's in draft, and that's how you can create an unbuild order. I don't know if you noticed, but when I hit save, it already created a reference for this unbuild order, and it's still in draft. So we can confirm it right away if we click the unbuild button, right? So if you want to double check, or you want to review it with your manager, or yeah, or the plant production manager, you can do it. And then if you're 100% sure, you're unbuild, and that's it. You unbuild the order. So how can we be sure that the unbuild order was successful? So on the top, when we click on the unbuild, a smart button appear on top, which say product move. If we click on the product move, we are going to see that we took the white oak nightstand, right, from stock to the production, because we needed to take it. We need to take that to that area, so we can unbuild it, right? And we have the white oak planks, legs, nails, and fabrics in a positive amount, right, from the production area to the stock. So you can see here all the movements related to the products and the respective components. Okay, so you can see here that we have the items in the stock available to use for another manufacturing order. And that's how you create an unbuild order and how you confirm it. So remember, when you confirm an unbuild order, you are basically you're unbuilding the product that you already built, and you are taking the components and store it. So you don't have the product as a one unit, you have the components that you use to build that specific product. So I hope this video was helpful.